I'm Anne Marie. I'm here to give you my honest review of one of my very favorite products. It's the Canon Pro-200 inkjet printer. It has 8 different colors. It is absolutely stunning. Previously, I was trying to print my coloring activities with a laser printer, but it just really wasn't cutting it. The color wasn't really close enough to my designs. And boy, this is the best thing I ever got. All right, so we're gonna go over a few different things because I know you're probably wondering about what it's like operating it, what it can actually handle. Now I'm not gonna go into all the specs because as an artist, I just want to give you the perspective of someone who uses cardstock for coloring activities. I had been searching for a while because not a lot of printers can handle cardstock, especially heavy cardstock. Most of them would just get jammed, like with my laser printer, and the color just wasn't true to what I was envisioning. And so this Canon 200 Pro really, it does the job.
Looking at my screen here, I see that I'm running low on some of my inks. So I'm going to take this moment to address the elephant in the room, and you're probably asking yourself, how much ink am I going to run through every month? Because that's a valid concern that plays a major role in how you make your decision. I can tell you from my experience, I'm printing approximately 200 color letter size pages a month. And I'm replacing my ink cartridges roughly once every 3 to 4 months. I also wanted to tell you one of my very favorite features of this. It does borderless printing. Not only that, but it can print sizes all the way up to 13 by 19 inches. So now I'd like to give you a demonstration of what it is like when I print on cardstock. By the way, I also really love that when I put the paper through the feed, it comes out completely flat without any of that curl effect that you usually get with other home printers. So when I put my cardstock into the top feeder, there's a little adjustment mechanism here. So I'm just making sure that it fits well, that I've got the right size paper. As you see, this printer is a monster. It's approximately 27 inches long, which is taking up a good portion of this standard size desk. Despite all that, it's surprisingly quiet, and I really like that it prints pretty quickly given how much detail and how much color is involved in it. It takes about 90 seconds to print on a bordered A3 paper and just about 53 seconds for something that's around 8 by 10 inches. Not bad. I suppose one of the only complaints I'd have is that the firmware is a bit finicky. So if it thinks that the paper size isn't right or there's low ink, you get a lot of dialog boxes and things popping up here on the menu. Personally, I think that's a small burden when considering you're getting this amazing print quality without having to head over to a professional print shop. A couple other things to mention. I feel like the setup was pretty standard for home printers, so I didn't have very much trouble getting that going. I'm going to give you a quick look at the final product. This is one of my cover pages on a coloring book, and it's just gorgeous. I really love all the colors. It's vibrant. It works really well with this cardstock. I can't emphasize enough how much I really love this borderless printing. I can't even get this done at my regular print shop, so this is a real treat. I thought it would be helpful to you to show you what it's like to replace the ink. It's really simple and straightforward, not complicated at all. You just push the tab to release the old one, take it out, and then snap in the new one. I like that each of the ink cartridges are color coded, so it's super easy to keep track of them. I also really like the sleek design of this printer and the ability to close up all the panels and try to prevent dust from collecting inside. This is such a great printer. I would give this 200 stars if I could. This is so worth it. This is the best thing I've added to my small business. Highly recommend it. And I hope that this was helpful to you.